Hello and welcome to the last video of this series of comprehensive guidance in business banking of UAE. This video will be all about different charges, hidden charges, different fees which are levied by banks on your bank account. We will be discussing different confusions about maintenance fees, average balance fees, all these jargons which the bank statement has with negative charges on your bank statement. The charges which often come as a surprise but not an information. We will be discussing all this today. So the first fees is account maintenance fees. The account maintenance fees is different for different banks and it is dependent on the account type which you hold with that particular bank. For an example, if the basic account with the bank, the charges of account maintenance will be different. If you hold a premium account, then the charges will be different, and if you are a gold customer of the bank, the charges will be different. The nomenclature, that wordings for defining these account types is different for different banks. Some will call it premium gold platinum, some will call it basic premium economy. So depending which bank is using what nomenclature, this is your account type, and depending upon your account type, they are charging you the monthly maintenance fees. So now let's take three types as basic, premium and gold. So if you are the basic customer of the bank, then the account monthly fees is dependent on the average balance which you are maintaining with the bank. So for basic customers, the typical average balance is 35,000 dirhams. So if you are a customer who is maintaining below or up to 35,000 dirhams, you can expect account maintenance charges of around 100 dirhams. Going above it, if you are maintaining around 100,000, which is a gold customer, average balance of 100 or above, then your charges will not be there. Bank will not charge you for any maintenance fee. If you are a platinum customer of the bank or a platinum customer of the bank, then also there will be no account maintenance fee. So basically, your account maintenance fees completely depends on the bank account type which you maintain with bank. An average of UAE banks charging you monthly fees, maintenance monthly fees for maintaining a balance below 100,000 is somewhere between 100 to 150 dirhams. Some banks are going maximum up to 200 dirhams. So if you are a customer who can maintain in your account more than 100,000, then you can consider you will not be paying any maintenance fee. Now second is transaction charges. Nowadays bank have started charging on the on counter, which is if you go to branch, then you pay for the transactions, and if you do online, then they are charging less. So again the same concept, depending upon what kind of customer you are for the bank, basic, premium or gold, they will give you certain transactions for free. Let's suppose for basic it will be 5 transactions which you can go to branch and do will be free. After that, if you go to branch, you will be charged per transactions up to 10 dirhams to 20 dirhams. So that is how they charge for the transaction fee. If you are a gold customer, they will give you 10 to 15 transactions for free. If you are a platinum customer, then all the charges will be waived off for on counter or branch. These transactions can be withdrawal, deposit, bank transfer, check deposit. Anything which you do through branch will be charged. If you do through ATMs or online banking, there will be no charge. Now the charges which are there in terms of remittance are different than this. This has to be not considered with the transaction charges. That is different. So what we are discussing here is about the transaction limits and transaction fees, not the remittance fees or the wire transfer fees. That is different. Now coming back to the wire transfer fees and transfer fees, which is other than the transaction fees, also depends upon the account type which you hold with the bank. Then the next is minimum monthly balance fees. Now this does not has to be confused between the maintenance fees. Maintenance fees is something fixed depending upon the account type which you have chosen with the bank. What is minimum balance fees is, let's suppose you have chosen a gold customer, that is 100,000 minimum balance. So if you go below that balance on average basis for that particular month, the bank will charge you minimum monthly fees. Let's suppose you are a platinum customer, which is 500,000 average balance. Then if you go below 500,000, you will be charged for a minimum balance monthly fees. So these two things, average maintenance and average minimum balance fees, is different. There is something called ATM fees as well. So if you are using an ATM for a bank other than your main bank, primary bank, for your transactions, then banks are charging you for that ATM fees also. Now the next is penalties and non-compliance fees, which is not dependent on the account type which you hold with the bank. It is dependent on what exactly is not updated or not maintained in terms of compliance with bank. Let's suppose trade license is expired, your KYC documents are expired, or anything else. Banks are charging for letter of confirmation, signatory confirmation, letter of capital confirmation, and also in terms of non-compliance, check bounce, outward and inward both. So this was all about the charges and fees which is related to your bank account. There are many other charges which we will put in the caption, so you can just go through that, because they are not normally charged. We have covered mostly which are very common in terms of your bank account. Anything else will be there in the caption. If you have further more queries or questions, you can drop that in our comment box. So with this, we end our video. Hope our comprehensive series on bank account opening in UAE was helpful to you. Stay tuned, because I have a bonus video for you which will come in some days.